But he had already died so many times, he could no longer count them. Over and over, he had felt his heart stop, with a jolt so painful that he would have screamed if he could have somehow hauled the breath in. That was what it had been like in the void, for that period of time that had felt longer than eternity. Perhaps it had been longer. Perhaps a part of him was still out there, even now, dying, and then living, and then dying again. At times he'd not been able to tell the states apart. They had merged together, just one long stretch of agony. And now it was over, in a manner of speaking, but he was still somehow stuck in that halfway state, as if his soul had never truly escaped the destroyer, caught in its vice and gently crushed into pliant mush. In other respects, though, he had gone back to being something that he recognized. He could carry a weapon again, trudge towards a horizon, kill for his Primarch. He could follow an order, give an order. He was a soldier, just as he had been ever since his youth on Barbarous, a fighter against tyranny. So Kaifer Morag was utterly transformed, and so utterly unchanged the Eternals were all rearranged. But his mind was much as it ever had been. He could no longer remove his encrusted armor, true, and he could no longer breathe without wheezing, nor blink without leaving lines of mucus across his eyeballs. But he remained himself, loyal equerry to the Primarch, servant of the Legion, observer of deeds for the histories that would one day need to be written. He lifted his heavy head, feeling the servos in his decaying battleplate catch and snick. Everything was dusty, the ruins roiled with it, running in tear lines from mortar wounds, silting up across the foundations of half-toppled buildings in grey-black dunes. You couldn't see far in all that. A mortal might peer out for a few dozen meters. He himself could see a bit further, all through the film of green that colored everything for him now. He could make out the ruins of Corbinic Guard in the far distance, a slumped head of masonry, still hot from all the munitions that had been hurled at it. Closer in, a few kilometers off, the walls of the Colossi Gate stood, blackened, damaged, but stubbornly there. In between those peaks were the blasted lands, the flattened carcasses of old dwellings and factories. A maze of low-lying rubble heaps. Even as he watched, something shimmered in the half-light, gauzy and translucent. A face emerged from the dust clouds, briefly elongating, slipping over itself, solidifying into a distended, slack-jawed creature that popped and wobbled its way into full being. It shuddered, slipping in and out of reality, before slithering off into the shadows, looking for something to gorge on. Morag still hadn't got used to them, the demons. Once, he would have been repelled by even a sniff of such horrors, but now they were everywhere, sliding across the open doorways, capering down bombed-out streets. They rose up from the soil and squirmed down from empty window frames. Some were silent, some whispered all the time. Some took the form of animals, so that you could never be quite sure what was real and what was not, until you got close enough to sniff the wrongness. Others were gigantic and repellent, lurching and shifting through the dust clouds, towering over the troops below. They all had trouble, still. The closer they got to the great wards, the worse it was for them. Even now, even after so much pain had been piled onto the Emperor's psychic barricades, they couldn't quite cross the final threshold. They still needed flesh and blood for some things, but that wouldn't take long now. Every wall of the long inner palace perimeter was under attack. The bombardment never ceased. The pressure never slackened. What paltry territory remained in the hands of the enemy was being compressed, wrung out tighter and tighter, until it would burst apart like rotten fruit. Then the demons would truly go to work. Then they would run amok, unfettered, feasting on whatever living souls remained in the debris. On some days, when Morag thought about it, he became morose and sluggish, remembering when his purpose had been to hunt down monsters, rather than enable them. And on other days, when combat roused the cold coals of his soul's furnace, he wished for nothing more than to see it, to relish it, to grin in a stupor as the lesser children of the god did their holy work. Typhus, they had to call him Typhus now, preached that doctrine endlessly, telling them all that this was what they were always destined to become, and never to regret the sacrifice. For even when they had been waifs and wretches on Barbarous, the god had always had them in his mind, and had always known they could be something greater. Morag smiled at the memory. Greater? In some ways they were. So few things truly hurt him now. Bolt shells would punch through his armor, blades would bite deep into his addled flesh, and he would recover from it all so quickly, just as it had been in the warp death to life, life to death. And yet, how could he ignore the visible price of all that power? The way his skin hung slack from his wasted muscle, the way his pores oozed black gunge, the way everything he touched seemed to thicken up with corrosion and start to fester. If this was a gift, then it was a strange one. If it was a reward, then its taste was bitter. Kaifer Morag served as a member of the Death Guard Legion during the Great Crusade and Horus Heresy. A Barbaran native who fought by the side of his Primarch Mortarion during their conflict against the necromancer overlords of their homeworld, Morag's service as a member of the 24th Breacher Squad saw to his elevation as the personal equerry to the Pale King during the Horus Heresy. Corrupted by the Destroyer Plague, released by Callous Typhon during the Legion's traversal through the warp to Holy Terror, Morag's body fused with his armor as his form mutated into an abomination. Fighting beside Typhus and Grimus Calgaro during his Legion's assault of the Lionsgate spaceport, his loyalty to his Genesire superseded his hesitance to accept the gifts of the Plague God. Confronted by the demon known as the Remnant, Morag journeyed through space and time as the entity revealed the moment when Mortarion surrendered his Legion to the clutches of chaos. Hateful of what he had become, Morag regardless fought the White Scars during the defense of the Lionsgate spaceport, and bore witness to the duel wherein the Warhawk, Jagatai Khan, banished the Reaper of Men into the warp. Rallying the Death Guard with the loss of his Primarch, Kaifer pledged his will to the Plague God. Escaping the siege, his fate hereafter remains unknown.